In this session we're going to have a look at the DeDupe option that's up here in the top right hand corner of CRMHaven. Now deduplication is useful where you want to know the actual number of different items that you might have available about your clients. So instead of finding all the people who are in one particular set of criteria, you can find what are the individual criteria we have. Now, it's probably not something you use all the time, but if you do need it, you'll find it really useful, and I'll give you an example of how that may be. Now, by default, in CRMHaven, we're just looking here at the standard quick contacts that we have available. Let me just instead go and show all of our clients, so show every client here. So instead of 78, now we're up to over 600 clients we're actually going to be looking at. Say for example we wanted to come along and say, look, we can see that they're in all different states in the UK as well as the abbreviated states from the USA, and some of them are the same. You can see lots of California there. If we, for example, wanted to know, look, how many states do we have clients in? What we can do is we can click on the DeDupe option here, and a list of all the visible fields, so you can see client city all the way up to region. So if I come across here, you'll see we've got client city all the way up to region. The same fields that are visible are the ones that show up under the DeDupe option here. Now if I choose client state, as it says here, then what it'll do is it will now sort this column, all of the data that's currently visible, not what's on the server, only what's currently visible, by the state, and remove any which are duplicates, and leaving us with a list of individual unique states. So let's try that now. We'll choose client state, and when we let go, you can see, let me just scroll back up the top so it's in alphabetical order. There were ones that were blank, so that takes up one, and you can see we now have, from over 600 we're now down to 60 individual states. So you can see that CA is only represented once for California, although there is one where California is fully spelt out. Okay, so you can see all the different states in the UK and the USA and maybe other countries as well where our clients are, and presumably we do business. So you could quickly see, okay, we do business, or we have contacts in 60 separate states of different countries around the world. So that's the DeDupe function. To get back to where you were, you can click on the refresh button, and it'll bring all of the whatever the last search was, it'll bring back all of that data. There's no reason why you can't duplicate on any of the different headings. If you choose to display other title headings as well, you can also dedupe on them, although it makes more sense with some than with others. Okay, so that's dedupling within CRMHaven. I hope you find that useful. Okay, bye.